Hello my dear friends, welcome to you in the channel of ASTRO-DOWSING. Today I am going to talk about https www.healing-hospital.com. This is a website which is completely dedicated to the people, those who are undergoing certain medical process and they're trying to recover faster, and this is the correct destination for you to get a faster alleviation. One thing I want to clear to my followers or viewers or listeners that this method is not a substitute of medical science or any medical practice. It helps to alleviate people. It helps to recover faster for any kind of patient. Keeping that thing in our mind, we introduced this healing procedure for the mankind. Many people are doing this thing in their respective platforms in the best capable manner. We are also as an organization trying to reach you through our research and scientific calculation based frequencies. Many frequencies are binaural, isochronic, monaural and lot of. In between, it is always easier and helpful when it is not only beep or sinusoidal wave, because it is little difficult to listen for a long period of time. So I keep requesting everyone not to listen binaural frequencies or sinusoidal wave, popularly known as beep sound, for a long time without any expert suggestion. In healinghospital.com, we tried our best to give some very important frequencies which is needed in our day-to-day life. Likewise, frequently used frequencies, generic frequencies, chronic or critical ailments, tune yourself segment, animal wellness segment, and so on. Those who are our members for many years, we provided customized frequencies for them because they know how to use it and they keep in touch with us, with our organization, and take necessary guidance accordingly. So it is a bilateral relation for a long period of time, so I am not describing that thing in this segment. I am trying to convey that the sleeping frequencies or headache frequencies, these are also very important for us when we are normally in a very stressed condition, or we are infected by any virus or bacteria, or at times when water changing procedure is there or stress level is changing, or we are not compatible enough to adjust with the changing environment. So many reasons are there which can give us a bigger challenge, and that is the reason why our body and mind keep struggling to adapt with the situation, and as a result, sleeplessness and headache may come out. So very systematically we tried to retrieve few very important situations why headache takes place or insomnia or sleeplessness takes place. So I'm sure within this parameter of different kind of ailments in terms of headache or sleeplessness, you can adjust yourself and you will definitely select your compatible frequency and you will get relief. Today I tried to focus only in the segment of headache and sleeping. In maximum time I keep receiving many queries or their sufferings related to this field. So I felt the importance to convey to all of you. Hope you will get the benefit of it. Thank you so much for listening. Good wishes.